Last little sound clip of the no downpipe. Oh shit, that's very dangerous, Misa. That's dangerous, boy. I can't be steering like this, bro. No, okay, never mind. No, fuck that part. Boys, yo, forget about the intro. Y'all saw the last little clip, bro. We got our little... Here, take it out real quick. Let's see it. Let's see it in the sunlight. Is it eBay? eBay downpipe, boys. Don't expect too much. But I asked about... Bro, you're tripping, bro. Get the fuck... How does it look? It looks cool or what?
Pretty cool.
Boys, I don't know. Low-key, I don't think it's gonna fit.
Wait, let me see.
This you take off.
It is. They are cool ones.
Nah, they're probably not the best, but fuck it. This should look cool though. Yeah. Hopefully it fits though, cause low-key was giving me the impression it's fucking.
This one isn't. You see how you fucked up, right?
Yeah.
This one's good.
Just a cool little fucking eBay downpipe. After this downpipe, the tune is coming, and then that's when Misa wants to rematch because he says the race we did. If y'all saw last video, he said it doesn't count because he wasn't using the gears.
It was not good. Let me tell you right now. The launch.
Yeah, it wasn't good because Misa got gas, bro. But once I get tuned, we're gonna run it again. Before we start, let me show you guys what it sounds like. Muffler and resonator delete only. All right, go. One big one. That's just the muffler and resonator. It's about to be pretty much straight piped. Oh hell no, it's gonna be too loud.
Right, it's gonna sound better. You're fucking tripping. He swears like it's about to be fucking stupid loud.
He swears like I'm gonna keep it this loud, right, bro. It's too loud.
Tell him that he has to keep it like this because it actually sounds fucking cool.
Well, you don't know yet. You don't know yet.
But I'm guessing it's gonna sound cool.
We'll see right now. Bro, it's so uncomfortable under this bitch. It's so uncomfortable. Take off the little heat shield, boys. For the diff. I'm guessing it's the diff. I don't know. Oh, fuck. 3D video.
No, that's what I was thinking.
Misa fucking came in clutch and taking out the O2 sensor. RIP his finger, though.
Got my finger, nigga. That shit fucking hurt.
Oh, and then we were fucking trying to take... Well, I was trying to take this shit off. But it's over here, bro. It has some type of adapter.
That was a pain in the ass.
It was. That shit was fucking annoying, bro. We finally got all 4 off the downpipe. We still need that O2 sensor, but we're gonna do that one outside. Hopefully we can take it out though, cause I don't know. It better be worth it, bro.
Watch you fucking make no touching this.
Nah, it's gonna be stupid loud. But I don't want the loud. It's just cause I want the tune coming. I don't know if you guys remember this nigga. Oh. Y'all remember this fool, bro? Hell no, look. Oh, he already got out. What are you doing, fool? What the fuck? Where'd he go? Yo, this fool's horny, bro. God damn. This fool just jumped in the fucking thing. Now, where'd he go? All right, we gotta figure this out. Hold up. We can't take the downpipe off. The fucking exhaust it's not coming off. I don't know. We gotta figure this out though. We're gonna go get some food right now. We're just whipping them on my whiskeys. I'm fucking tired, bro. I haven't ate. I feel like passing out. It's annoying. We can't get the fucking exhaust off.
That's just so dumb, dude.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat real quick, just chill, and then finish it in the next hour or two, hopefully. All for a fucking downpipe, bro.
It's because it's hella rusty. That's it. To be honest with you, it's like fucking hard to like. It's where it's connected and shit.
The bolts are all fucked and shit. It's just.
We got past that part pretty fast. To be honest.
Nah, yeah, it's just this last part. It's gonna be this last part's chill though. This last part's gonna be chill, hopefully.
I hope so.
We'll see though. But
I gotta think about how we're gonna do it. That's what I'm gonna think about while I'm eating, to be honest.
Yeah. Bro, Misa, shut up, bro. I'm trying to eat, bro, for real. Bro, this fool's non-stop nagging, bro. I'm just literally trying to eat. I'm so fucking hungry. I'm starving. And then this fool's just, my ear, bro.
not bad. Niggas better catch foliage.
Oh my god, hold up, I'm gonna drop it. That shit's so good, man. Oh my god. Boys, this fucking exhaust. It's just being annoying right now. Hopefully, we're gonna eat, chill for a bit, and then we're gonna get it done. But for now, let me enjoy my meal, man. Here's my aerator.
Yeah, I don't know.
Y dando un poquito. Está bien pendejo. Oh, wait, nigga, this is about to break.
No, it's not. About to break what? Is this? Oh, is this a POV when they get fucked? Wait, hold on. Put me down, nigga. Put me down. Hold on, nigga.
Tell them where we're going.
Ace Hardware. We're trying to go get a torch because this nigga shit did not work. We've been trying to take it off for a cool minute, but that's just not working out. We fucking hammered it. We tried to do everything.
Oh, that was a bad bitch.
That was not a bad bitch, let me tell you.
No, in the driver's seat, nigga.
What did you need? Okay. And you're over 18?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll just have to check your ID and
No,
we'll be
you're
all
good.
good.
Yes, sir.
Hard to find it, huh?
Yes,
How many
sir.
places did you go to?
I went to like 3.
Ah, okay. Home Depot's out too?
Yeah. They told me the same thing.
Yeah, this is the only store in San Jose that I know
Cap.
of that still has them.
Cap.
'Cause I was
Cap.
just at
Cap.
a Village Lunch store.
Bruh, 20 minutes later, like 5 hours later, we finally got the fucking exhaust dropped. Last O2 sensor.
We still need to split this.
Oh yeah, that too. And then fucking,
Bang it out?
oh my god, I'm having a heart attack. And then we just gotta put the other one on. Y luego ya acabamos. Oh, that's green. Let me see. Look.
Stupid.
Oh. Now look, if you go fast, you don't feel it. Really? Yeah. You're scared. Look. Even not that fast. Even not that fast. You feel it. Oh. Ah.
Nigga, you fucking imbecile.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What are you doing, bro? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. After you fucking dropped me, you fucking whore. Fucking whore. There was shit on the ground too. Cat shit.
Nigga, you're already fucking dirty anyways.
What the hell was that?
Go.
You never done that before?
No, nigga.
Like, you know, in barbecues at the park, you could just do that on the flames too. Like, mi tía Chabela me enseñó.
Oh.
Mi tía Chabela.
Boy, if you don't.
Finally got this one set up low key. This was burning hella shit. We're not gonna be able to reuse this because this piping is too big. So literally everything I'm gonna have is just this right here until I go get a custom exhaust tomorrow. So finished the downpipe last night. We didn't even get to connect it because the way my exhaust works, it's straight up just the downpipe and then it ends right there. Look how bad this shit sounds. Cause it is too loud, bitch. Ew! Go on this side, Yo, hear that shit? You like that? Boys, I'm fucking sore from my chest, my neck, my triceps, my biceps.
I guess it smells like we did hella work.
I did! Misa was literally this. This was Misa the whole time. That shit sounds so bad, bro. Good thing this fucking exhaust shop is hella closed. Did I just leave it like this? It didn't even sound too bad. You feel like shaking on your ass? Yeah. I don't even know what the fuck those be sounding like.
He finally fucking straight piped it. I feel like he should leave it like this, but I don't know. Never mind.
Bruh, at least it won't have the massive leak no more. Hopefully, hopefully it's not too loud, dude.
Let's get him. Hopefully not too loud.
You
get scared.
Who needs a cut? You need a cut? I know you need a cut, you dirty motherfucker. Hit me up. Ramon did the fit on Instagram.
He just smacked my ass. The guy's picnic blanket. It sounds exactly the same now.
It sounds exactly the same.
Yeah. That's good though, that's good. I don't want it too loud though. Yeah, it doesn't too loud, huh?
Yeah, I'd keep it low. You just step on it.
I'll see how.
Try it out for a few days, see if we fuck with it.
Yeah, I was gonna keep it for like a week or two at least.
Try it out, maybe
Yeah,
a
a little test run, a little test run.
Something like.
That's nice.
Oh, that's a good guy.
I fuck with it, I fuck with it, I fuck with it, I fuck with it. It's a little crazy. It is kind of loud actually. Oh, that sounds cool though. Yo.
Yeah, you're not gonna know for until you hear from I like the pops.
That sounds pretty quiet actually. I went up a gear and I downshifted.
Let's go.
Like I revved that up to go up a gear. I was thinking of downshift.
Sometimes I do that on accident too.
I don't know. I'm tweaking. That sounds cool though. That sounds cool though.
Feel like the walls are closing in. Don't need no others, we gon' keep it in the family. They need my respect, and I need it in the face. Baby, better check, she got crazy ways. And she look good in Louis Vuitton. She bad, you know what a nigga say. Ain't no little boy,
That's just
he gon'
lame.
treat me like a man. And just buy some money, we gon'
I'm gonna definitely go with
get my brother pissed off, 'cause he be
You look nice too.
Yeah.
losing my brother.
Too raspy, too raspy. low-key too loud for my taste. Like, it sounds cool at its times, but it is a little raspy. And it's fucking, it's not like Reese's car loud, but like, I'm not even gonna say it's close, but it's pretty loud compared to what like, I'm gonna run it like this for like a week or two maybe, and then I'm gonna end up putting a muffler or something on. Hopefully it doesn't quiet it down too much. It probably will though, but I want to find like a nice tone, you know what I mean? But fuck, that's just too loud. But you already know why I got it though. If y'all, hold up, let me know what tunes y'all are running. Like, if I should go stage 1, stage 2, if they're cool, like reliable wise, which tune I should go for. I'm looking at a couple different ones right now, but let me just know what tune you guys are running and let me know how you like it. You know how it is, how it's cool or not. But I'm ready for the tune. All I need now is just the tune. Like, I got everything I need for the tune. That's all I need now. What you guys think about the little downpipe. Do you guys run a muffler? If any of you guys have like the setup pretty much, or do you just run a straight pipe? For me, it's too loud. That's just me though. Some people probably like it. I don't, not too much. Like, it sounds cool at first, but then after a while you're gonna be like, nah. But let me know what tune y'all recommend, like which tune I should get or whatever. But appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You already know. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
I didn't really show him too good.
It sounds exactly the same, nigga.
Alright, listen. No, listen. You ready?
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah, I heard it.
I don't like how it sounds though.
It's alright.
It's louder, but
Let me see. It's louder, but it sounds too raspy. I'm for sure gonna put a muffler on eventually. It's cool though for now. But I definitely want a muffler. What do you think, Brian? How's it sound?